Welcome! In front of me I have Maimo watch DCAE, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon, and this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon getting highlighted, changing the color, and also appearing right here at the top of the menu. And if you want to go back to the watch face, you can press the side button or swipe down on the screen. And if you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, the icon will go back to gray color, the icon from the top will disappear, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. You can also turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode through the settings. So if we press the crown button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the Do Not Disturb mode option, so Do Not Disturb, and tap on it. And here we have the switch, and we can tap on it to enable the mode, tap on it to disable the mode. And if you enable the mode, you can also turn on the schedule. And if you turn on the schedule, you can tap on time period, and here you can set the start time and end time. And technically the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on and off at specific time you set. So you can tap on start, set it to something you like by swiping up and down on hours and minutes. Let's set it to 11:30 and end time to something like 7:30. Okay, and my Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on at 11:30 p.m. and turning off at 7:30 a.m. And of course, if you want to turn off the schedule, you can go back and tap on the switch to turn it off, and then turn off the Do Not Disturb mode. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.